Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a girl using an easy method. First, let's start with basic shapes. Begin by sketching a light oval for the head and a simple rectangle for the torso. These foundational shapes help establish the overall pose and proportions of your figure. Think of them as your blueprint. Don't press too hard. These are just guides that you'll refine later. Now, let's refine those basic shapes. Draw a horizontal line across the oval for the eyes and a vertical line for the center of the face. Connect the head and torso with a neck and gently curve the lines to form the body's silhouette. Use simple lines or cylinders for the arms and legs, indicating joints with small circles. This step brings your figure to life. With the basic form in place, it's time for details. Start by sketching the hair, thinking about its style and how it frames the face. Then, add clothing, allowing it to follow the contours of the body for a natural look. Don't forget smaller elements like hands, feet, and any accessories. These details truly personalize your drawing and add character. Finally, let's bring your drawing to a polished finish. Carefully ink over your refined pencil lines, making sure to create clean, confident strokes. Once the ink is dry, gently erase all the underlying pencil marks. Consider adding some simple shading to give your drawing more depth and dimension, making it truly pop. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.